Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pin this PC shortcut to your start menu on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do, if you do not have this PC icon on your desktop to begin with, you're going to have to right click in a blank area of your desktop and select Personalize. And now on the right panel, scroll down and select the Themes button. And now on the right side again, scroll down underneath Related Settings and select the little Expand button next to Desktop Icon Settings. And now underneath Desktop Icons, checkmark the box next to Computer and select Apply and OK. And now that you have an icon on your desktop, you want to right click on it and select where it says Pin to Start. And at the open up the Start menu, you should see the icon pinned up here. So if you have multiple icons, you may have to scroll down to the next page, but you can see it is in here, right here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.